Plant, and most of the soil are garden soil from our town.
I was telling Carson na, I think ang insurance is worth all this, and he said because it's not really expensive, it's because of all the maintenance.
Yeah, I can imagine that.
Yeah. Expensive? I mean, the animals eat walnuts? Oh gosh.
Yeah.
And I only eat peanuts. Kanantog piso.
Sabi, oh.
Lanois, no. Our skin. Di na lang yung owner man. Kaya sulatan. Tapos nga, thank you. Parang, saan ni siya? Reservoir?
Yes, ma'am.
Water? Okay. Saan ni siya mga blue stones?
This is from Bali, Indonesia, ma'am.
Decorations lang. Hello.
This is also what we call our meditation garden because sometimes mom and they talk their yoga here.
Okay.
Sitting on the reclining ancient Buddha made of black stone 5 tons from Bali, Indonesia.
5 tons?
Yes.
So how did they transport that?
Through
They-
cargo.
Yeah. Must have paid a lot of money, no?
So here in our meditation garden, you also can see the different kinds of bamboo and panda and also different kinds of hibiscus flower.
Ang gumamela niya, double siya, no? Ang gumamela niya ba? Asa nang hibiscus ba?
Kani gumamela, ma'am?
Amaw na siya hibiscus.
Not doing, ano sa lili?
Lotus flower.
Lotus flower. It looks like gabi. Day, ang dagmay sa aton dayo. Lotus yan.
Ate Nat, dere, oh. Asa na siya tawag nga tanom, oh?
Ay, ang imo paborito na.
May pungko, tama.
If you amaze sister, how much more their collections in museum because we have 3 galleries at museum, sir. We have Asian, we have European.
Madre, tanaw.